Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Disney Princess Beauty Kit, and we have these beautiful ladies here. We have Princess Tiana. Look at that, she's so pretty. And we also have the beautiful Queen Elsa. Alright, let's open this up. Let's see what we have here. We got, oh, it's a nice purple hair comb. And it's glittery too. Wow. It matches the mirror. Look at that. They match. Purple and glittery. Oh, I love these bow clips. We got two hair clips. It's pink. Oh, cool. One for Queen Elsa and one for Princess Tiana. Earrings. Oh, we only have one pair of earrings. That's alright. Oh, look at that heart shape. Yay. And it has a gem. Cool, kind of like a pretend ruby. It's pretty. Oh, it's a clip earrings. Let's think about that. We have the hand lotion. It's a pink hand lotion. Let's try to open it. Oh, it's a real lotion. Cool. A lipstick. We got a very light pink lipstick. Let's check if it's a real. Oh, it's a real lipstick. I thought it's a toy. It's a real, but little. It's a mini pink lipstick for kids. Cool. And we have, I wonder if this makeup palette is real. We're gonna find out. Oops, what is this? It's a heart-shaped sponge. Applicator for the eyeshadow. Oh, I love this. Look at that. It's a heart shape. It's pink. And it has a crown with Disney Princess characters. Oh, wow. This must be real too. Yep, it is. Alright, let's start putting makeup on Princess Tiana and Queen Elsa. First, let's work on Princess Tiana. We're gonna comb the hair first. It's already combed, but let's just pretend. She has a very nice black thick hair with a green crown. There you go. And maybe eyeshadow. Let's pick a color. Ooh, how about maybe pink? What do you think? All right, let's try the pink. There you go. And then next is lipstick. Let's try this light pink lipstick. Wow, look at that. And, well, it's funny, but we can try. One pair of earrings for Princess Tiana and one for Queen Elsa. Let's see if we can clip it here. Ooh, kind of like difficult. It's big earrings. It's bigger than her head. We cannot do that. But we can use this in a big doll. And you can use this too. Let me show you. Look at that. It's a clip earrings. But be sure it's not tight so you can't hurt your ears. Alright, how about hand lotion to make the skin smooth? Just a little bit of lotion. There you go. Perfect. Oh, we forgot the hair clip. Let's put the hair clip right here on top of the crown. There you go. Can I see myself in the mirror? Sure, Princess Tiana. Here you go. Oh, I'm so pretty. Yes, you are, Princess Tiana. Thank you for my makeover. You're welcome, Princess Tiana. Next is Queen Elsa. First, let's brush her hair. Can I hold my mirror? Sure, Queen Elsa, here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Comb this beautiful blonde hair. Hair clip. Let me put down the mirror so I can put on the hair clip. There you go. Let's get the eyeshadow. What color are we gonna use for Queen Elsa? That's right, we're gonna try blue. She likes blue. Next, lipstick. Pink lipstick for Queen Elsa. Beautiful. Hand lotion. Oops. I put too much. Make the skin smooth in the hands. Legs. There you go. Can I borrow the mirror again? Sure, Queen Elsa. Here you go. Ooh, I love my makeover. Thank you very much. You're welcome, Queen Elsa. All done. But we still have surprises for you. So don't go away. Let me just put this on. In the middle, the lotion. Earrings, the sponge, the lipstick. Here comes mirror. Time to open our first surprise, which is the Kinder Joy. It says here for girls. This is the chocolate. Looks yummy. Here's our toy. Look, we have a kangaroo with a baby on her pocket. Our next surprise is LOL. LOL, Little Sisters. We have a mint green ball. There you go. Ooh, look at this. I want to see the baby first. The baby doll before the accessories. It's a purse. Oh, look at that. It is a kitty cat. Winking. A winking kitty cat purse. That's cool. It's also a mint green color. I wonder where the baby is. Let's try this one. Maybe this is the baby. What do you think? Yay! Oh, look at that. All green. She also has a mint green hair. That is cool. Let's check her name. There is our baby doll. Name Troublemaker or Little Troublemaker. It's just a name. Super cute. Let's take her accessories. I think this one is the chain for the ball, for the wrecking ball. Yep. And this is, oh, sunglasses. Perfect. How cute. Oops. There you go. Ooh, look at our baby. She has a very big sunglasses. We got more surprises. Let's open this red ball. Ooh, we got lots of toys. We have a silver Lalaloopsy. Super cute. And we have, oh, look at this. What a nice toy. I love the color, transparent yellow. What else is in here? Ooh, Masha! From Masha and the Bear. Next we're gonna open is, what color is this one? Very good, green, like my nail polish. Let's find out what's inside this green egg. Green surprise egg, another egg inside the egg. Hatchimals. When you rub the heart, it changes color from purple to pink. Let's crack this open, and there he is, our toy. There's more inside here. It looks like we have a Roblox. We have a Roblox figure, a Shopkins lunchbox, nothing inside. We have another, oh perfect, we have a crown. I think Queen Elsa needs a crown. Princess Diana already has a crown. Queen Elsa needs this. Queen Elsa with a Shopkins crown. Cool. Next we're gonna open is the blue surprise egg. It's light blue. Rubble from Paw Patrol. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Woof woof. Oh, Rubble is my favorite, one of my favorite characters in Paw Patrol. Next we have this tiny golden ball. Green. A bunny, a green bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Last surprise for today is this yellow surprise egg. Ooh, with a silly face. A kitty cat. A very pretty kitty cat with orange and white color, with little details of black. Meow. Here is all the surprises that we opened today. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Mine is the kitty cat and the bunny. I love this purse too. Look at that. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one. Take care.